Hi guys, I haven't posted in so long. I haven't vlogged in so long, so it's really good to be back. I've been in a depressive era. I'm still in it. Currently in Portland, Oregon for a little anniversary trip, and I wanted to show you guys our cute little hotel. So we got upgraded to a suite. So we have a couch, the first TV, a little chair here, and then we have the bed and the second TV, which is much bigger. And then my favorite part, the bathroom. It's really big. So we have the sink out here, very big LED mirror, and then we have the closet, and then we have the toilet, the shower, which is pretty nice. A little small, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm really excited. I have literally no idea what we're gonna do. This trip was like super spontaneous. I think we're gonna do a hike tomorrow, and I'm not a hike person. Like, I've twisted the same ankle 4 times now, and so I'm really scared to go on a hike. Like, I want to be a hike person so bad. And we're gonna try new food, cafes. There's a lot of cute cafes here, which if you've seen my other videos, you know how I feel about cafes. So yeah, this morning was so rough. Like, yesterday I went to work all day. I came back kind of late, and I had not packed yet at all. I had to shower. I had to buy some stuff, like some travel stuff for my trip. I was so exhausted from work. Like, I don't even know how I managed to do everything on time. But this morning, my flight boarded at like 9 a.m. I woke up at 5:30, showered, packed, and left the house at 6:40. Took me an hour to get to the airport. We made it. And I'm just in shock at how I did that. But I got a coffee and I got a little like snack wrap thing. But that's all I had today. Barely had water. I had more coffee than I had food. So, you know, I'm not feeling too great. My boyfriend is out getting food. I want to explore the city, but I don't want to faint in the city. You know, we're just gonna have like a cozy little indoor lunch. We're getting this Japanese sando place. It looks really good. I was just craving like something to bite into. I'm starving. I think I last filmed just many months ago. I honestly don't even know when the last time I filmed was. I think what I last told you guys was that I was applying to med school, or like doing things in the process of applying to med school. A lot has happened since I last filmed. I got into med school. It feels so unreal saying that out loud, like on camera. Currently it is February. I got into med school in November. Wow, that was so long ago. So I ended up getting into 3 different med schools. I have committed to my top choice right now. I've been really relieved, but also scared because I have to move out of California. I have been in my like pre-med journey for like 5 years now, 5 or 6 years, and it's been a journey. You know, a lot of self-doubt, a lot of negative feelings, a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, as for everyone, you know, but I struggled a lot, especially in the beginning when I had no idea what I was doing. Like, I always felt like I wasn't doing enough. Finally, be on the other side is so insane to me. Also, recent update, I got a nose piercing. I actually had one like in high school, but it got messed up because I went to a bad place and they didn't do it right. It got infected. I had to take it out. But now we're back. Isn't it so cute? It's so tiny. I like it. And then I got a 3rd lobe piercing. Those are my updates. Oh my gosh, it actually looks so good. First bite. I'm so hungry. Look how good that looks. Oh my god. Like, hello? Wait, that looks just so good.
There's black garlic in it.
First meal of the trip, and like, we're already off to an amazing start. So I'm like, how can it possibly get better than this? Okay guys, 7-Eleven haul.
That's a lot of drinks.
Crazy. So we got a white peach Red Bull, sugar-free of course, and a June berry. And I've literally never seen a 7-Eleven that carries Alani and Bloom, but I've never seen this before, strawberry sunrise. I wanted to try it. I got sour gushers. Oh, this is sugar.
You stupid.
They're not.
Wait, no, I don't want it.
Oh.
38 grams of sugar.
Damn! In one
That's
Red
what
Bull?
I'm saying. My favorite sound.
Are you back to life?
Almost. Okay, little taste test in bed. Chocolate covered strawberries. I don't know if I like the freeze dried strawberries. The wafer next. So these are cocoa wafers with vanilla cream. I'm a little underwhelmed though.
Yeah.
Can't believe I'm doing an actual hike, like, hello? I feel like I can breathe like 10 times better. I got a French toast latte.
I got a hot chocolate.
And we got a cookies and cream fudge. Okay, taste testing the fudge. It kind of looks like a dirty glacier, but it tastes like a dirty glacier. You didn't even see it. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. It is our last day in Portland. Do you guys like my hat? We went to the falls. I got this hat and it's literally so cute. And I got this jacket that I showed you guys from Muji. It's literally so soft. I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to wear it all the time. Running late, getting ready because I got my period and I'm feeling not very good. So Ashwin got takeout from this brunch spot. Ooh. What's this place called again?
Cheryl's on 12th.
Cheryl's on 12th. I saw that it was really popular. Wait, those hash browns are so good.
Yeah.
Wait, what the heck? They're better than my potato. Oh, wow. You're straight up eating a donut sandwich. Oh my god, this is so good. The yolk is so runny, just how I like it. Okay, guys, I want to show you some stuff I got. A little haul from Kinokuniya and Muji. I got these 2 little notebooks. Like, how cute are they? They have little cats on them and coffee. 2 things I love. They're just like regular what is this? Grid notebooks. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Probably use them as little journals. I think I'm gonna give one to my mom. And then I got 2 Muji pens. They're 0.5 navy blue or blue black, whatever. Back to Kinokuniya. I got this cute little bookmark. These cats look like my cat, and I got this pen. It writes so nicely. I got the refill too. This ink was literally so addicting. Like, I'm obsessed with pens. Like, I have a problem, guys. Like, ever since I was little, I've had a problem with stationery. Like, I collect pens and pencils and pencil pouches. It's bad.